Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I will show you that how you can add an attractive cover page to your document. So go to the insert and here you see the cover page option. So here you see a lots of cover pages. You can add any one of them, and you can also design a cover page according to your wish by inserting a blank page and then adding the picture or text to this page. So I will do this from here. You can also do from the blank page and then design according to your wish. So I will add this page. So this is my cover page, mechanical technology lab report, and here I will add the date and the today date 20 September 2020. So the date is added to your cover page, and here you can add some extra text. I will move this upward. So I have moved this upward, and I can also move this to the left, and let's insert enter that it will be added in the next page. And now go to the home and write from here or in the center. So this is the good looking option. The subtitle, let's remove the lab report from here and add it as a subtitle. So this, in this case, it look better. And I will add a relevant picture here in this blank part. So in this document I have used a lot of pictures, so I will pick one of them and add to this. Let's, this is about the mechanical technology or heavy machinery, so let me add this one. So copy this and insert here. Move it now to the cover page. Move it up, carry on, and when it reach to the cover page, here is the cover page, so place it here. This is the right place for this. Now increase the size, enlarge, so this is the perfect style. Now here if you want to insert some text, so when you are want to add some extra detail, so go to the insert and here bring a text box. So this is my text box. Move it downward to a blank area. So this is the better place. You can add it in your desired place. So here start typing your details. You can add your name. Let me type my name. You can add extra detail like section, your class number, your registration number, and much more detail. So this is the registration number. So here I add my detailed information to this cover page. So this was all about adding the cover page to your documents. Thank you for watching this tutorial.